children, how are you children? Yes, I hope you are fine and safe. We have finished our third lesson explanation. Yes children, have you read the lesson? Yes. Today we are going to read the lesson. Take the textbook children, page number 9, third lesson, organ systems. Okay, let us learn about organs inside the body, different organ systems and their parts, the effect of daily activities on organ systems, the position of different organs inside the body. Think, when we breathe in, we take in air. Where does this air go? It goes inside our body. Let us find out what is inside our body. Remembering part. We have some special body parts. The parts of the body that help us to do special and important work are called organs. We see some organs from outside. However, they are some organs that are inside the body. We cannot see them. Organs inside our body. Food pipe. It is a tube which leads from the mouth through the throat to the stomach. Turn the page children. Page number 10. Stomach. Okay children. It is a sac-like organ. When we eat food, it goes into the stomach through the food pipe. Windpipe. It is a tube that connects the throat to the lungs. It is also called trachea. Lungs. There is a pair of lungs in the chest. Heart. It is located a little to the left of the middle of our chest. It is about the size of our fist. Kidneys. We have a pair of kidneys. They are bean shaped. Brain. It is present inside the head. Some organs inside our body form a group to do specific task. Such a group of organs is called an organ system. There are many such organ systems. Examples of some organ systems are the digestive system, circulatory system, skeletal system, muscular system, and so on. Understanding some important organ systems. Our body has many organs and organ systems. They work together to carry out different tasks. The digestive system that helps to take in food through our mouth and food pipe. In our stomach, food is broken down to make it easy to digest, just like a mixer grinder. The digestive system consists of the mouth, food pipe, stomach and intestines. Okay? The respiratory system helps in breathing. The organs of this system are the nose, windpipe and lungs. The circulatory system sends blood to all parts of the body. The heart is the most important organ in this system. Children, page number 11. It pumps blood to all the parts of the body just like a water pump. Blood flows through the blood vessels, thin tubes like water pipes. Our brain controls all activities of our body. It helps us to think and learn. The brain is a part of the nervous system. Application. Now you know about the different organ systems and how they work. Can we control all these organs? We cannot directly control the organs inside our body. The brain works even when you are sleeping. You breathe continuously when you are running, eating or sleeping. Is the breathing faster or slower when you are doing these activities? The heart beats continuously. Does the heart rate remain the same or does it change? Amazing facts. A child's heart beats faster than an adult's. Your heartbeat changes depending on the type of music you are listening to. Okay, children? Yes, children. Take your workbook, page number 11, lesson number 3, organ systems. Yes, the first one, remembering part, multiple choice questions. First one, which of the following organs is found inside our body? The option A, eye, B, ear, C, brain, and D, nose. Which one is correct, children? C, option C. Yes, and second one, when we eat food, to which of these organs does it go? To the stomach. B, to the stomach. Okay, and the fill in the blanks. Third one, dash is about the size of our fist. Heart. Which one? Heart. The dash connects the throat to the lungs. Windpipe. Windpipe. Okay, and very short answer question. Fifth one, name the organ given below. Name the organ given below. What it is? Kidney. It is kidney. Label the diagram given below. This you have to, already the food pipe is written and given here, children, but you have to write here in this dash stomach. Yes, and the next one, turn the page, children, page number 12. Page number 12. Okay, short answer question. What is an organ system? What is an organ system? Which answer is this? This is seventh one. Some organs inside our body form a group to do a specific task. This group of organs is called organ system. I am repeating once again, children. Some organs inside our body form a group to do a specific task. This group of organs is called organ system. I am repeating once again, children. Some organs inside our body form a group to do a specific task. This group of organs is called organ system. Yes, children? Children, match the following. Yes. Eighth one, digestive system. What is the answer for the digestive system? C, helps to take in and break down food. Yes. And the ninth one, nervous system. What is the answer? It is D, controls all activities of the body. Respiratory system. What is the answer, children? Helps in breathing. Helps in breathing. And the circulatory system. What is the answer? Carries blood to all parts of the body. Yes, children? Yes, I will move aside. You take a screenshot of these answers. Okay, children? Okay, children, write neatly, read and write. Okay, when I am doing reading, no, you people also while seeing or watching the video, no, that time you can read along with me. Yes, children. 12th one, short answer question, children. What is the role of the brain? Answer: the brain controls all the activities of our body. It helps us to think and learn. I am repeating once again, children. The brain controls all the activities of our body. It helps us to think and learn. I am telling once again, children. The brain controls all the activities of our body. It helps us to think and learn. Okay, children? 13th question, children. Circle the organs that help in breathing. Help in breathing. Which one? The first one? No. The B. Lungs and the nose. Circle these organs. Okay, children? Children, your homework. Page number 3. Page number 3 from your workbook. Learn and write page number 3 from workbook. In homework you have to learn this answer and write. Okay children, and I'll move aside. You please take the screenshot of this answers and that homework. Yes children, you people are writing the classwork, the homework, the workbook and reading part. Whenever you're finishing your, means your ma'am is telling the lesson, whatever the subject, other subjects also. After the lesson, you please read the textbook. Read the textbook. You can understand the lesson very nicely children. Okay? Do your works in time and be as a good children. Okay? Children, when you are listening to the videos, means the lesson whatever your ma'ams are telling, no, you have to take your books, your subject books. For example, you are reading about the science, you are listening the video of the science, you have to take the subject books, sit and then start the video watching. Okay, and then after writing you have to check that you have written the spellings correct or no. You have to read and write. Okay children.